My name's Michael Harris. I'm with the Catamaran company. I've been a broker here for 22 years. Today we're going to go on board the 2017 Sunreef 74 Amelie. This boat was previously known as Chrissy, and I sold it to the owner in December of 2018. He's selling reluctantly because he has a brand new Sunreef 68 Supreme Power on order. So let's take a look on board the boat. Amelie has port and starboard boarding ladders, and it's a great access point into the boat. Easy access for everybody to get into the expansive cockpit. Let's go take a look. Great easy access for anybody to come inside. Very nice big expansive cockpit. Plenty of sunbathing pads for lying out, enjoying the weather. Easy transoms for access from the dinghy. And a great area for socializing, entertaining, al fresco dinner, having fun. Down here on the transom, we come across the hydraulic passerelle. We have the controls are mounted up here, along with controls for the hydraulic tender lift platform, where we can put the dinghy down easily. This is a Williams 505 diesel jet, very fast, very fuel efficient. Great for taking people water skiing, kneeboarding. We also have the outside water attachments and shower, as well as an overhead shower, which is great for everybody coming off swimming out in the ocean. On port and starboard, we got a docking windlass, extra cleats. This makes moving the boat into the dock as well as the bow thruster really simple. It's great for when if there's a breeze on the side and you need to get back into the dock. Keeps all the lines nice and tight. Here also in the cockpit, we've got the entrance into the cruise quarters. It's ensuite bathroom with over and under bunks. This piece of furniture wasn't an original apparatus when the boat was first constructed. It's been custom designed to hold the dryer. The dryer was originally in the galley, but because it didn't vent very well, it was decided to move it out and put it inside this custom locker with additional drawers and storage for cleaning apparatus and anything that's needed in the cockpit. Over here on the side, with the wet bar, you've got the drinks fridge, and of course full requirement for any wet bar is a nice sink so you can rinse out your glasses. The dining table seats 8. It's great sitting out here. There's always a little bit of a breeze coming around the outside of the cockpit, and a great feature is the fiber optic stars, as you will, in the overhead, with great ambiance at night while dining, along with multiple LED lights, nice and bright. Also here in the cockpit, we've got direct access into the galley, so it's great for the crew when they're bringing provisions aboard from the tender. They can just come straight up the transoms and take everything inside the galley directly. So we're here in the port engine room. We got the John Deere 225 horsepower diesel, 19 kilowatt Onan generator. We're surrounded by the AC chillers and Ultra Whisper water maker. It's a very compact and well thought out engine space. And we also have a dive compressor located down here. Now we're in the starboard engine room. Again, the 225 horsepower John Deere primary engines. another water maker, also sea recovery, second 19 kilowatt Onan generator, hydraulic power packs for the hydraulic lift for the tender, and also selection of pumps and other equipment down here, electrical battery switches. Again, it's a lot of technical stuff down here, and it's all in the specs. It's all can be easily read. We've got nice wide side decks on the boat, extra high lifelines, good grips for holding on, flush deck hatches on these lovely teak decks, which are just in the process of being sanded, so will look much better in the near future. Up forwards, we've got this wonderful recessed seating cockpit, a little dining table if you want to sit up here and enjoy some evening cocktails. It's a simple awning that is totally removable, with posts that are also removable, and entrance into the boat through an electric door. So a great place to be up forwards on those lovely evenings. Up here on the foredeck, we've got these great heavy duty double windlasses with gypsy and capstan, large chain, double stainless steel anchors, and a fully integrated center platform to the cross member. Again, unlike many catamarans, Sunreef have done away with the traditional martingale, which was a framework up on the bow to help strengthen the cross member, and that's been removed. It's all integral, and we've got the double electric rollers for the Solent and for the Genoa, and an attachment up here for the Code Zero. So we've got a bow cabin up here for crew. It's fairly small, but it's generous at the same time for crew cabins, with its own head and shower. There's one on starboard, one on port. So we're up here at the FLYBRIDGE control, carbon fiber wheel, chart plotter, repeater electronics, your engine throttles. Since the boat has a bow thruster in each hull, there's two controls. And forwards, we got all the sailing winches. All the lines are led back from the mast. So one person can control all the sails up here, all electric winches, and very, very easy boat to sail. Obviously you need a bit of experience, but anybody can learn. FLYBRIDGE is a great place for entertaining. It's where most people will be while you're sailing underway, unless of course it's raining. You do have the hard-top bimini to give you plenty of protection. Nice large dining table, seating for 10. A festooned area of cushions, plenty of places for people to go and sunbathe. Here on the FLYBRIDGE, there's a wet bar area. Normally you'd put a barbecue here, but the owner decided it was too windy most of the time and blew the smoke into the guests' faces. So you've got storage underneath, and underneath the helm seat, there's an ice maker and a drinks fridge. Both fairly compact units, but functional and practical. What this captain has done is he's done a double main sheet system. Normally you can see there's still a track where usually there'd be a single main sheet, and you'd adjust it on the traveler up and down depending on your point of sail. These double main sheets allow a little bit more positive action as far as maintaining position of the boom while sailing. This is a good position as well to keep your life rafts. They're out of the way for day-to-day handling of the boat, but easy to access if and when you might need them, hopefully never. And we've got the satellite domes up here for satellite phone and satellite TV. Sunreef are well known for doing a lot of things in-house. They build their own carbon masts and booms. This mast is 115 up above water and a large carbon fiber canoe style boom, which makes it easy for flaking of the mainsail. Not an in-boom furling system, just the standard mainsail with lazy jacks. FLYBRIDGE is primarily the nerve center for sailing the boat. You've got all the winches, all the lines, the helm station, the primary winches, and also it's such a great area for socializing, dining, al fresco, enjoying yourself, sunbathing. It's really a great place to have. Catamarans without fly bridges of this size just aren't the same. Okay, so now we've been around the exterior of Amelie, the 2017 Sunreef 74. Again, my name is Michael Harris. I'm senior broker here at the Catamaran Company, 22 years experience. My contact information is on the screen if you want to give me a call. I'm always ready to listen to any questions and give you answers. I'm also here to help you in buying a boat, and if you're particularly interested in Amelie, let's hear from you.